The world watched with bated breath on January 16, 2025, as SpaceX, the maverick space exploration company, launched its latest Starship prototype. This wasn't just another rocket launch, it was a daring leap towards a future where humanity ventures beyond Earth. Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft, represents SpaceX's ambition to make space travel more accessible and routine. The test flight, dubbed Starship Flight Test 7, promised to be a spectacle, and it certainly delivered. However, the day was etched in history with a mix of triumph and setback, a testament to the unpredictable nature of pushing technological boundaries. The excitement was palpable as Starship roared off the launch pad at SpaceX's Starbase facility in Texas. The sheer power of the rocket, the tallest and most powerful ever built, was a sight to behold. For a brief, glorious moment, it seemed as if everything was going exactly according to plan. The initial stages of the flight, a critical period in any space launch, unfolded flawlessly, showcasing SpaceX's engineering prowess. But as Starship soared higher, aiming for the vast expanse of space, an unexpected event unfolded, reminding everyone that space exploration is not for the faint of heart. The launch of Starship Flight Test 7 was a testament to SpaceX's meticulous planning and execution. The Super Heavy booster, the colossal first stage of the rocket, roared to life with the synchronized thunder of its 33 Raptor engines. The ground trembled, and a plume of fire and smoke engulfed the launch pad as Starship began its ascent. The rocket's trajectory was picture-perfect, a testament to the countless hours of simulation and analysis that went into this mission. As Starship climbed higher, gaining speed and altitude, it reached a critical milestone stage separation. This complex maneuver where the Super Heavy booster detaches from the Starship upper stage is a ballet of engineering precision. Timing is everything, and SpaceX's engineers had calculated it to the millisecond. The separation was flawless, with the Starship upper stage continuing its upward journey while the Super Heavy booster prepared for its return to Earth. While the Starship upper stage continued its ascent, all eyes turned back to the descending Super Heavy booster. This massive structure, no longer needed to propel Starship, was now on a controlled descent back to Earth. But SpaceX had no intention of discarding this valuable piece of hardware into the ocean. Instead, they were attempting something audacious, catching the booster with the launch tower's chopstick arms. The booster performed a series of complex maneuvers using its grid fins and Raptor engines to control its descent and steer towards the landing pad. The chopstick arms, positioned atop the launch tower, waited patiently, ready to receive the returning giant. The final moments were a breathtaking display of precision engineering. The booster gently lowered itself onto the arms, a perfect touchdown met with cheers and applause from SpaceX's mission control. Section 4. The unexpected turn Starship's dramatic exit. With the Super Heavy booster safely back on Earth, attention shifted back to the Starship upper stage, now soaring high above the Atlantic Ocean. It had successfully separated from the booster, and was continuing its planned trajectory. However, approximately 8.5 minutes into the flight, the unthinkable happened. Sensors on the ground began detecting anomalies in Starship's flight data. The once smooth stream of telemetry became erratic, painting a picture of an unfolding emergency. Then, in a heart-stopping moment captured on live video feeds, Starship exploded in a fiery blaze. The spacecraft, which had moments earlier represented humanity's ambition to reach for the stars, was now a cloud of debris scattering over the ocean. The shock and disbelief were palpable in homes and mission control centers around the world. What had started as a day of celebration and hope had taken a sudden and dramatic turn. Section 5. What went wrong? The search for answers. The immediate aftermath of Starship's explosion was met with a flurry of activity. SpaceX engineers and analysts immediately began combing through the mountains of telemetry data transmitted by the spacecraft in its final moments. Every bit of information from engine performance to aerodynamic pressures was scrutinized in the hopes of piecing together what caused the catastrophic failure. While the exact cause of the explosion remains under investigation, preliminary assessments suggest that a combination of factors might have contributed to the incident. The intense aerodynamic stresses during the high-altitude portion of the flight, coupled with the extreme temperatures generated by Starship's Raptor engines, likely pushed the spacecraft beyond its design limits. Additionally, potential anomalies in the propulsion system or structural integrity of the upper stage are being investigated as possible contributing factors. Section 6. SpaceX responds, embracing failure, aiming higher. In the wake of Starship's dramatic demise, SpaceX, known for its transparent and iterative approach to space exploration, wasted no time in addressing the incident. Elon Musk, the company's CEO and chief engineer, took to Twitter, his preferred platform for communication, to acknowledge the setback while reiterating SpaceX's commitment to pushing the boundaries of space technology. Starship experienced a rapid, unscheduled disassembly, Musk tweeted, using SpaceX's characteristically understated terminology for what was a very visible explosion. Musk's tweet, while laced with his trademark humor, also highlighted a fundamental truth about SpaceX's philosophy, embracing failure as a stepping stone to success. "We will learn from this, and come back stronger," Musk added, emphasizing the company's unwavering dedication to achieving its ambitious goals. SpaceX has always maintained that setbacks and failures are inevitable in the pursuit of innovation, and the company views each test flight, successful or not, as a valuable learning opportunity. Section 7. The future of Starship undeterred and unfolding. The explosion of Starship Flight Test 7, while undoubtedly a setback, has done little to dampen the spirits or determination of SpaceX and its supporters. The company has a history of bouncing back from adversity, using each failure as a catalyst for improvement and innovation. The Starship program, with its ambitious goal of making humanity a multiplanetary species, remains a cornerstone of SpaceX's long-term vision. SpaceX has already begun implementing lessons learned from this latest test flight into the design and construction of future Starship prototypes. The company's rapid iteration cycle, characterized by continuous improvement and refinement, is a key factor in its success. Each new Starship iteration will incorporate modifications and enhancements based on data gathered from previous flights, gradually pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The dream of Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft capable of transporting humans to Mars and beyond, remains very much alive, fueled by the unwavering belief that humanity's future lies among the stars.